Hey there! Going through some big-time change? Got some business problems to solve? Well, guess what? At One Smoothstone, we're pretty much addicted to solving problems. We're not just a pretty events company. We are agents of change. And just what the heck's a change agent? We create really cool events and communications that change hearts and minds and yield big results. We use digital to empower 4,500 managers at McDonald's to grow their businesses. We inspired 900 sales professionals to move mountains at United. We turned 1,300 store managers at OfficeMax into retail leaders. How do we do it? By advocating for your audience. We are One Smoothstone. How about we talk more?